Are you tired of missing Jira updates because you're stuck in Slack? Stop switching tabs. I'll show you how to get real-time Jira notifications in Slack in under 5 minutes. Here's the plan. We'll install the Slack Integration Plus app from the Jira Marketplace, set it up with a free trial, and configure notifications. Let's start. So first things first, open up your Jira account. You want to be logged into the project where you need these notifications. This is the hub where all your tickets live, and it's where we'll start building the bridge to Slack. All right, once you're logged in, look over at the left side panel. You'll see a menu there. Go ahead and click on the option that says Apps. This is where Jira keeps all of its add-ons and integrations. Think of it as the App Store for your Jira instance. Now, from that Apps menu, you want to select Explore More Apps. This will open up the Jira Marketplace. This is a massive library of tools you can plug into your workflow. And honestly, this is where a lot of people get overwhelmed by choice. But don't worry, we're after one specific thing. In the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Slack. Just the word Slack. Hit Enter. This will filter everything down to just the integrations that work with Slack. Now, from the search results, look for the one called Slack Integration Plus for Jira. It's usually one of the top results. Click on that. I've tested a few different Slack integrations over the years, and this one tends to be the most reliable for getting those real-time updates we talked about. It handles the heavy lifting of connecting your Jira projects directly to your Slack channels. You'll land on the app's detail page. You'll see a button that says Try It Free. Click that. It's a free trial, so you can test everything out before committing. There's no risk here. After you click that, you'll be taken to a review screen. It's just Jira giving you a final summary of what you're about to install. It'll show you what permissions the app needs and what it can access. Give it a quick glance and then click the review button. Then you'll see the big one. Click on Start Free Trial. This activates the integration. Give it a second to process, and just like that, your Jira account is now connected and ready to talk to Slack. Now, from here, you can customize exactly what notifications you want to see. But the hardest part is done. No more toggling between tabs, no more missing critical updates. Your team stays in the loop without you having to leave your chat. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and build that connection, and I'll see you in the next one.